This Kiara Park ground floor unit sold at 1 million is directly facing the fancy cafe and the swimming pool. It's very close to the main entrance of the condo and it's just a few minutes walking distance to the shops nearby. So now, I show you the unit itself. This unit is with a built-up area of 1,350 square feet and the unit condition is basic. It gives a lot of potential for the new owner to renovate the unit according to their own style. The unit is come with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Every rooms here are spacious for the new owner to fit in their own furniture. So that's the last bedrooms. The demand for the Kiara Park ground floor units are always sell like hotcakes. It's because the ground floor units offering a convenient lifestyle to the family, especially for the small family and the retirees. It's like a single-story home, but it's with the 24/7 security service. Besides that, Kiara Park Condo is one of the most sought-after condo in TTDI. It's because of its facilities, landscape, low density, and location. For Kiara Park itself, the land size is 11 acres and there's only 361 units within the 7 low-rise block and also 1 high-rise with the 18-story. The condo is offering a resort-style facilities and I personally think that it's one of the best condo for the retiree to enjoy their retirement life here. Want to find out more? Head to our website and check our latest TTDI listing. See you next Thursday for my next video.